welcome. Thank you for joining the live session. This is not a financial advice at all, by all means. This is just me trading the charts, analyzing them. I may take a trade and I may not. If you see me from earlier, WHYG, I analyzed it way below $8, and I basically missed the trade, and that happens 100%. I'm a little salty. You could probably see it on my face. Um, but anyway, get back on track. We did a very nice couple of trades afterwards. Like AZI was a really nice short trade that confirmed below 230 all the way to 185 and then to 150. And now we're looking at this guys here, okay? GAUZ. And if you want to watch how I laid out those lines and how I found them, I'm gonna actually leave the recording online so you can go back and view it yourself. But for now, I'm just watching for confirmation on either side. I'm not going in here. I need confirmation on either side of the market, either below this line or above that line. If it goes above 78, that would be a bullish trade. If it goes below 58, that would be a short trade. Anything in the middle here is just speculation for me personally, so I'm not going in here. And you guys, if you watch the entire stream, WYHG, we started analyzing it way below here. You can see all these lines, and if you wanna see how I actually mapped out those areas on the chart, you can watch the first maybe like 30 minutes of the live session. I've been live for 3 hours and 2 minutes now, and I let the peeps on social media in for about an hour of that stream here. But anyway, so if you go back on the live stream, like in the first 30 minutes, you'll see how I mapped out all these areas. And now the way I look at it, and what I'm trying to explain to you guys, even if the stock is up 700%, it doesn't matter for a day trader. It really doesn't. You should actually block that and never look at it here. Never look at that percentage because it doesn't matter. It really doesn't. If you see price action above this line, this confirms a move all the way to 30. If I see price action below this line now, it would confirm a short possibility, like a short trade, all the way to 18. From 23 to 30, that's about 20 plus percent. From 23 to 18, that's about 15%. Either way it goes, whether price action confirms the bullish scenario or the bearish scenario, there's a way to make money on a stock that's up 500%. And that's what I always try to explain to people. The same way we see here. It goes above 78, that would be a nice bullish trade. It goes below 58, that would be a nice short trade. Anything in the middle here, I'm not going to touch it personally. Let's watch these two and see. تسلم ايديك يا اسماعيل.
بس تاخد اللون حطها هنا.
ان شاء الله تسلم ايديك. You guys are welcome. Welcome to my stream. Again, I do not give bio sell signals, but if you watch the stream and if you get the mythology behind my trading, you'll be giving yourself your own signals. I promise you. Like it's just so easy. If anyone tells you day trading is hard, tell them no. It really isn't, guys. It's we go back to the principle of trading, of actual buying and selling product, merchandise, anything that works with price, bids, and asks. I bought cars in the past, and it literally works the same way. But I'm not gonna go over it now. Right now, what I'm watching is this one right here. I'm watching if it goes above 78, it would be a bullish trade. If it goes to below 58, it would be a short trade. Anything in the middle here, yeah, of course, I can scalp and make 5, 2, 3, whatever percent. But those areas I map out on the chart, like the 78 scenario and the 58 scenario, if I want to go heavy on my money, makes sense? It has to be confirmed. It has to be a confirmed trade. Now let's go back to WYHG here and see what is the scenario. So same way, guys, okay? If it builds candles, enough candles above this 23 area, I think it'll go fill the gap to 30. And I honestly think it's going for that. So I'm gonna risk some for the bisc, you know? Just a little bit. Let's see. Not a lot, honestly. But like in theory, I need to see 5 full candles maybe. Like how many candles? It doesn't take a lot of candles for it to move to different areas. Yeah, no, I'm gonna take it, bro. This is a stock, guys, that I analyzed at $8 this morning, and I just bought it at 24. You know, and that tells you day trading that you cannot look at the percentage here. So basically, if it builds, and I see enough action, maybe like 1, 2, 3. That's basically the 5th minute above that line. So the possibility of that move to 30 is getting higher and higher, honestly. On the other hand, if it builds action below this line, basically below that $23, and it builds enough action, 3 to 5 candles, and one of the candles struggle to get back above it, like a struggle candle, the same ones we look for when we do these like areas on the map, right? That would be a nice short trade all the way to probably 18-ish, and we'll see what happens there. But right now, my focus is this area. I don't care if it was $3, if it was $8. My focus is here, either from here to 30 or from here to 18. With better confirmation, I can get it done, you know? fact that we had people sell below that 23 line kind of like weakens the bullish scenario. And you guys, if you have, I know I have a lot of back noise. I'm home, guys. Next week I'll be back in the office. But if you have any charts that you want us to put on the stream and analyze and look for, and if you want me to put those lines on your chart, not a financial advice, just let me know the name. Put that in the comments, and I'll put it on my live stream at the end of the session. I'm gonna play some music. We'll put it on mute. But this is what I'm watching, guys. You know exactly where I'm at. So let's watch these two. GAUZ 78 is a bullish trade. 58 below is a short trade. Same scenario for this one here, guys. 23 is the line for this trade. My focus is here now. I don't care if it was like $1 million or $1. You know. So let's see what happens. Because I'm gonna go take the laptop and go upstairs. A little bit less noise, maybe. So just bear with me, okay? And this, if you see it now, we formed the second candle below the line at 23. And that maybe can confirm a short scenario, but we need to see 3, maybe a minimum more candles below 23, and that would confirm a short trade all the way to 18s for now. The same way it was hard to tell that it's going to go from 8 to 24, it is hard to tell that it's going to go from 23 all the way like to 8 on that same short scenario. Makes sense? So we need to watch for more action, and I think it's halted now. More action basically below that line. 3 more minutes. No, it's not halted. 3 more minutes maybe, selling and buying below 23 would confirm a short scenario all the way to 18s minimum. Maybe it'll VWAP, but for now to 18s, you know? So we have 3 candles below that line now. Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go upstairs. Okay, just bear with me. Noise, but the Wi-Fi is a little slow upstairs, so I hope that we're still getting good, no drops, you know. So this is how many minutes below the line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes below the line. Now, if it gets, I just want to see one more rejection by that line, and this would confirm a really nice short trade. So let's see what happens. But the way it looks now, the short possibility is very real, honestly. So let's see. if you remember just 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes ago, when I said that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and I want to see just a quick rejection to that line that would confirm the short scenario. Exactly what happened right there. You see it? Like, let me show you guys. So below the line, right? Let me show you right here. Right here. I had right there. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and I said if it goes up and it tests that line and gets rejected, that confirms the short scenario all the way to here. From now to here. Maybe it'll get back up, maybe not. We cannot speculate that right now at this point. But I know for a fact that it's gonna come all the way down to here from now. Same for GAUZ, guys. It's getting closer. It's testing that short possibility line, but it needs to break above it. So in theory, if it actually reverses off this line and builds price action above that line, like maybe let's say 5 candles. So we have right now, this is the second. So okay, one time 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there will be a candle where it'll break down and struggle to get back above it. If that doesn't happen, if we have no full candles formed below this line, I think it'll see another reversal into VWAP. Mostly unlikely now, very highly unlikely. I think the more possibility is a short confirmation from this area, but it needs to break below that line, build enough price action below it, and then that would confirm a short trade all the way to here, probably like mid 40s. Now if it reverses off this line on the other hand, and it builds another maybe 3 to 5 candles above it, we could see a gap fill all the way to 78 again. So let's see. We'll let price action dictate the trade for us, basically. And some people might say, "Hey, we don't speak English. Why don't you like?" Because I speak different languages. Why don't you just English is the universal language, guys. Um, a lot of my viewers are based in the U.S. here. I live in California in Irvine, but by all means, if you speak a different language like Arabic or Spanish, I can definitely lay out the chart for you and not give you financial advice, but I can definitely explain it in Spanish or Arabic. I speak both languages very fluent. Um, so by all means, guys, if you have a different language or if you don't understand what I'm saying, just let me know and I'll go over it in a different language for sure. You guys can see here that it's actually like not even going below that line. It's just not doing it. It's not budging, you know? So how many minutes do we have of it trying to break below it? See? And when this happens, guys, you know that you had the right. And a lot of people say, "Oh, I don't trade lines and trend lines," and you're silly because your lines are like if the lines don't work for you, and those areas don't work, is because and I'm with all the respect, you're doing it wrong. You're not doing it right because you could tell here. You could tell exactly what's going on here. Look how many times it respected my line and bounced above it. And if you want to see how I got this line, just go back in the live stream and you'll see exactly how I got it, you know? So if you say or you think lines and candles don't work, with all the respect, you don't work, not the lines or candles. um, and watch the stream, guys. Watch it. I mean, you know, you can watch the whole thing, and I'm here. I'm live in front of you now. I still think at some point we will see a break below it, and what matters is what happens after the fact, after the break, because having it actually stay above it for this long tells me that it's not done on the way to the upside, honestly, you know. But I need to see confirmation for that. Like it's just not there yet, and I'm not gonna enter here. I'm okay watching a trade for 3 hours. If I'm gonna get 30% from it, or 10 or 20, I'll watch it for the whole day, man. I don't care. See, now we have that dip below, and now what's gonna matter, guys, is what happens after the fact. Okay, I'm gonna just move this here. It's locked just to make sure that is at the line at 58. Yep. So we're gonna see what happens now. Is it halted? No, it's not. Okay, we're gonna see what happens now. So it's the first minute that we did below. This is the second minute. Okay, if this minute struggles to get back above it, that would almost confirm the short possibility. But if it does go above it, then we're not there yet. But again, I need to see 3 to 5 candles. But this candle, the second one, must struggle to get back above. So any single order, guys, let's see, let's look at the times and sales, okay? Any single order that goes above 58 does not confirm the short trade for us. See how that second candle struggled to get back above it, you know? How many minutes do we have below the line? So the first minute that it dipped, the struggle candle, we look at that all the time, and then two more candles below, okay? So, and if you guys watch how I find those areas on the chart, I mean, it's so easy when, I mean, right here, guys, like, I mean, we can show you how until we map out another one, I can show you, like, for instance, let's go back here, okay? Let's go back on this one here. Try to break below. When it does, it struggles. Same scenarios here. Tries to break below. When it does, struggles. And we can do it like I did this, guys, like for so long today, so I'm not gonna go over it again. But we could do it all the time. But anyway, let's get back. I want to get back to my chart here, okay? Because I'm almost gonna confirm myself that short trade and finally make a trade today. And going on the same scenario, if you watch this one, if you go back and scroll back, guys, from, remember we said that 23 was the line, and once we dip below, see that struggle candle, and you see how many minutes we, and if you watch my stream, I literally laid this out exactly. I was like, if we have 5 candles and this struggles to get back up of it, that confirmed the short trade all the way to here, and we'll see what happens here. I cannot call the short trade all the way down, but this from 23 to 18 ish, that is a nice 10% trade, by the way, minimum 10%. And I think it's halted at 18.22 now. And I think they're trying to shake some people out before they go to 30. But for now, this was a nice short trade. And that explains my theory, guys. The theory of the same chart that can go bullish, it can go bearish, you can actually, like, within this chart, you don't have to do a lot of people, man. I see a lot of people just want to come in and make $500 million in one day. You just can't do that as a day trader. You need to take it step by step and basically take it trade by trade. There was a lot of trades within, and if you watch me live, there's so many trade possibilities within the trade itself. The short trade with AZI, the short trade with GAUZ, I'm sorry. So many trades within the actual chart that you can find 10-15% within. That's just amazing charts, to be honest. So let's look back. This alone is a nice short trade that was literally analyzed, and you can see the arrows here. We're not gonna take. I'm not here to take credit. Okay. So I just wanted to show you the example, and let's go back here, and now I want to see this struggle candle. I want to see it go from 56 to 58 struggle. That would confirm almost 100% certainty for a short trade all the way to mid 40s. So let's see. You see that struggle candle that we talked about? Right there, guys. You see it? Now, yes, I think we're gonna, like, the same scenario, guys. Like, if you watch here, that struggle candle confirmed that short trade, right? So we're gonna look at it here. Struggle candle, I think it's gonna confirm that short trade all the way down here. We'll see what happens. I can't show you my own trades. The SEC will be on my butt if I do. But I hope this information is very helpful for you guys. I really do. And if you have any questions, let me know. If you need more information in different languages, let me know. Um, Welcome, welcome. I see more people joining our live stream. Thank you for being here. And you guys, I do this live every single morning. And we're watching this right now. If you just joined, I leave the actual recording of this live session on X. On like the full 4 hours of the stream is always posted on my YouTube channel for transparency. You can see my wins, my losses. You can see everything that I do live as it happens, basically. Um, so yeah, that's basically the sauce, guys. You know, we're watching this trade now, that short trade. I can't tell you if I took I can't show you my own trades, guys. The SEC really so I'm trying to make it as much as helpful as helpful as I can. Um, the way I analyze this and I gave you all the information is a very helpful way for trading, and I hope that you can incorporate that into your own trading and give your own self signals to yourself. You don't want people to just hand you like the fish. You want to know how to fish, basically, right? And I'm here for it. I'm here for this actually. So let's watch this play out as exactly the scenario did, and I explained it literally candle by candle, guys. If you can go back like even like 15, 30 minutes ago, I think we like analyzed the whole area here, and you can literally see exactly what we said or what I said. I'm by myself here today. stop the music. And if you look at this trade, guys, look at the scenarios that I laid out for myself, right? From 58 to 51, basically right now, I'm on a 10% gain on my short trade. I don't know if that have, if always people like don't look at the price, look at percentages. It makes a lot more sense for day traders to always look at percentages rather than just price because it's all about percentages. 5-10% trades. If I do that five times five times a day with like $1,000, $2,000 each time, that's real serious money. Like believe it or not. Yeah, I think I'm gonna exit the short with WYSG. Um, you can see here. I don't know. You know, you can see the short. And we talked about it from here, guys. We talked about it here. We talked about the confirmation, the struggle candle, and I said that it's gonna go from here to there. I'm not sure about all the way with the VWAP, and I truly think at some point this is going to reverse and hit that $30. But once that is confirmed, I'm gonna take that trade. For now, the short trade confirmed, so I took that. Um, let's look here. I'll move this here a little bit out of the way. That way we have space for the candles to form, you know. We're not moving like that levels, we're just moving it to the right. Just to not clutter the chart for us here. And again, I'm doing this stream from home, guys. My kids are on summer break. They go back to their mom or school too next week. So I'll be back to you know, my office, my screens, my monitors. I'm literally doing it from the laptop at home here. So, but still though, money is money. Mission is mission. If you watch this stream, if you watch the whole thing, there were a lot of like WYHG, the first time I looked at it this morning, it was below $8, and I analyzed it to go to 11, and then to 14, and then to 18. Different levels, guys. Like exactly, I don't like to speculate. I don't like to say, oh, this is gonna go from 2 to 50. If someone tells you that, they're lying to you. The best way to work it myself is to just say it in a staggered scenario, basically. We can see this one leveling off, like it reached like below 52 from 58 to 50, 58 to 53. It's 10%. So don't take this lightly. This is a 10% trade right here. That one will be confirmed as a short trade, even exactly with the struggle candle. Um, so yeah, people might argue why, like, if you knew it was going to be a short, why didn't you just get in a 65 rather than 58? More percentage, more profits. No, I'd rather take less profits, but better confirmation. That's for me personally, you know? And if you remember, I mentioned earlier that on the short scenario, basically here, that it could go all the way to mid 40s in that short scenario. So let's see. But as of right now, it is the short trade itself is up 10%, more than 10%. And again, if you guys have like a chart that you want us to like basically break down on live stream, I'll do it here. Just let me know. Put it in the comments and I'll put it at the end of the live session. I'll do the same thing that we did here with points and areas and then you can go and watch if that scenario plays out like we did here, you know? All right. That short trade is working perfectly, exactly to the mid 40s right here, guys. I mean, I don't know what else to do, you know? Let me just move these to the side because it's getting cluttered. But they're here, bullish trade. You can see them, they're the same. They didn't move them. Don't be silly. All right. So I hope that this scenario played out for you as well. If you have any questions about this specific scenario, let me know because it happened live in front of you guys, right? And I hope that my explanation did help you establish um, your own agenda for day trading. I've been live on X now for about an hour, so my promise is always the same to you guys. I will always turn the stream on for free for the people that follow me on X. Let me see, I got a comment. Let me see who that is. You guys, GAUZ, we laid out the scenario from literally the middle of the field right here, guys. We were like, if it goes to 78, it'll be a bullish trade. If it breaks, I'm not gonna go over it. I don't want to like repeat myself 30, 100, 5 times. Okay, you can guys watch the tape. I'll leave it there. The live session will end in about maybe 5 minutes. And again, I go live, guys, every single morning in California from 5:30 to 9:30 a.m. here in my time. Now, if you are a monthly member, and I do have monthly members here, um, you can actually come in. So next week I'll be back in my office, but you get access to a trading desk in my office in Irvine, California. Whether you want to just come in and train with us, learn with us, trade with us, we don't give you signals. I'm not going to tell you, oh, buy here and sell here if you come to the office, but you'll get access to a desk with monitors and a lot of screens and a lot of data that would help you with your own trading. And by all means, if you just want to watch the stream as well, just welcome to join us and be part of this team. And we will see you guys later. I'm gonna turn off the live in maybe a couple of minutes here, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And I hope this trade, even whether you traded this trade, whether you didn't, I can't tell you buy it or sell it here. But the information that I was explaining, I hope that it was helpful for you guys because I did my best trying to explain everything that I can here. And again, if you guys have any questions, you can email me, you can text me, 949-227-7277. That's the number. And again, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Please, if you like this session, I'm not here for followers. If you don't want to follow, I don't really care. But follow and like if you do. Thank you so much. And have a good one.